In this video, you'll learn how to send an Interac e-transfer using the RBC mobile app. It's a fast and secure way to send money to friends, family, or anyone else directly from your phone. Once you open the RBC app, go to the bottom right area and tap on Move Money. On the next page, select Interac e-transfer, which is located between Pay a Bill and Send to a Client. When you're on the Interac e-transfer page, tap on Send an e-transfer. From here, select the account you want to send money from, for example, your checking account, and enter the amount you want to send. Next, choose the recipient. You can also select how they'll be notified, either by SMS or email. If you'd like, you can add a message as well. Once everything is filled in, tap Continue and follow the steps to complete your transfer. And that's how you can send an Interac e-transfer using the RBC mobile app. It's a quick and convenient way to move money anytime. Just make sure all the details are correct before confirming your transfer.